Hey guys, this is me again. This is my another episode of Fion Reacts. Now I'm going to react to Michael Harino UTTP breaks Gerovain Cervera's toy car / grounded / me and Hana Chan GoAnimate for school. I love good users kisses each other. Wow, that's kind of cool. I bet it will be funny. Okay. Well, this is the video. The creator is Jason Plays Comedian 1996. Well, his username is now called I Got Killed by Gary Dingo UTTP THDTC Reborn. Let's get started. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, my ringtone.
Going to break the toy car. Ha 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 ha.
Oh God, he's evil. God damn it. You're in huge trouble. Oh, you're in huge trouble.
Gerovain, what's wrong? Why are you crying?
Michael Harino UTTP just break my toy car.
Wow. You should not break a kid's toy.
Oh my fucking god.
It's not nice.
Michael Harino UTTP.
Not a nice.
How dare you break car toy? And now you made her sad thanks to you.
No.
That's it. I'm telling your mom and what you done to her.
Oh no. Is that Caesar's mom and dad?
What's wrong, my little brother? Why are you sad?
Mommy, Michael Harino UTTP just break toy car.
Oh, raging come.
Michael Harino UTTP. How dare you break toy car? That's it. Go home right now.
Oh no.
It's okay, my son. It's going to be okay, Gerovain.
I will.
Michael Harino UTTP. Michael Harino UTTP. Michael Harino UTTP. Michael Harino UTTP. Get over here right now, since your parents are in vacation for until January 8th, 2018. Now, we're in charge
Oh God.
of you. Michael Harino UTTP. How dare you break toy car? Now you made him cry thanks to you.
My boyfriend is right. You also making videos out of my boyfriend's Jason Plays Comedian 1996. That's it. You're grounded until Christmas to get your coal. Go to your room right now. You are worse than Mason Harino UTTP. You naughty boy.
It's and believe that Jason Plays Comedian will now send now excess and his girlfriend grounded me.
And never come back until Christmas to get your cool.
I agree with my boyfriend. That's what you get for breaking the toy car.
Man, we hate Michael Harino UTTP.
I agree with my boyfriend.
Hey, Hana-chan GoAnimate for school. I love normal user. Let's kiss each other.
Sure, let's kiss each other.
Oh yeah. Wow. Seriously. Oh wow. I know it's very funny to see Michael Harino UTTP gets grounded. Oh gosh, that's so funny. He cried and dances to his room.
Wow, that was the best kiss ever.
I know, right? Hana-chan GoAnimate for school. I love normal user.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, I love the ending. It's so cute. Okay, so thank you for watching. Bye.